Hi there, I'm Ursula Rose and this is my breastfeeding breakfast. So this is packed full of protein, which is really important when you're lactating. There's bananas in there, there's yogurt, there's chia seeds, there's almonds, there's blueberries. It's full of vitamins and I find this is a great way for me to start the day when I'm looking after the twins. So here's how we make it. Super simple to make, it's really tasty, and that's why it's one of my favourite things to have for breakfast in the mornings. Let me know what you think of the video and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Channel Mum for more videos from me and the rest of the team.